Hey folks, I'm here today in Florence, Alabama at Jack's. Jack's, one of my favorite places. And I'm here to find out how good Alabama hot sauce, Peach Fresno sauce tastes on vanilla ice cream. I know it's weird, but hey, come on in and join me. We're gonna find out. Hey folks, this is Phil from Alabama Hot Sauce, alabamahotsauce.com on the web. I'm in my favorite place, Jack's. And today, we're gonna try Peach Fresno hot sauce on vanilla ice cream. Now, everybody's gonna say I'm crazy, but believe me, you eat ice cream with Peach Fresno hot sauce on it, you'll do it like that every time you eat from then on. So I got a brand new jar of this Alabama hot sauce Peach Fresno here. And I'm going to cover this ice cream with it. Now this Peach Fresno has a heavy vinegar taste, heavy peach taste. It's not horribly sweet, but it's sweet enough. Now I got this ice cream covered with it. Let's go in and see what it tastes like. Oh. Oh, what a difference that makes. This is cinnamony. The cinnamon clearly stands out in it. It's sweet a little bit, but it's also got that vinegar, that tangy sourness, which really makes it good. You taste very little heat. Matter of fact, I don't taste any, but I'm a pepperhead, so. Wow.
Yeah, do that?
This takes vanilla ice cream from regular to very flavorful. This combination is, I don't hardly know what to say about it. This Peach Fresno has peaches, apple cider vinegar, vegetable broth, habanero pepper puree, vinegar, cinnamon, and xanthan gum. This is really quite impressive. I'm gonna see if I can get one of these Jack's people. Hey, get your scoop of vanilla ice cream and bring it over here. Seriously, get your scoop and come over here.
I don't want hot sauce.
This is not even hot. You gotta come. Send somebody over here that does.
Hey, give me sauce. Get a scoop of ice cream.
Get a scoop of ice cream. We got somebody coming over here from Jack's. We're gonna find out. Am I nuts, or does this make this ice cream better? right, I'm making room here, folks. I'm getting ready to be joined by look. The change in taste it makes is crazy. All right, come over here and sit down, buddy. All right, who we got here? Powell.
Sutton.
I'm Mr. Phil.
All right.
Say hello to the crowd. Peach Fresno. It's not terribly hot. You can open it up and sprinkle it pretty liberally on your ice cream. You don't have to hold back.
All right.
There you go. Keep going. There you go.
There we go.
Now, taste it and tell them what it, look at the camera and tell them what it tastes like.
All right.
You're going to love this. You taste any hot?
Not really. Kind of tastes like cinnamon.
You taste cinnamon.
Yeah.
You taste that sour a little bit like vinegar.
Oh yeah.
But it makes that vanilla ice cream have some real taste, doesn't it?
Oh yeah. It makes it have taste for sure. It's good.
I think it's good. I think it's great, actually.
Oh yeah.
So, you're going to tell people they ought to start putting hot sauce on their vanilla ice cream?
Oh yeah.
Of course, you know, if you're going to buy hot sauce, there's only one kind to buy. What's it called? Alabama hot sauce. But
Yeah.
that's the only one to get. I think this is a home run, folks. Me and Powell sitting here eating our ice cream, loaded with hot sauce. Everybody looking at us in here like we're crazy. But we love it. All right, folks, thank you for joining me. As always, I'd appreciate it if you'd subscribe, give me a thumbs up, ring the bell, leave a comment if you got one. Or Mr. Phil at Alabama Hot Sauce and Powell from Jack's. We'll see you guys next time. Thank you. Folks, thank you for joining me for ice cream and hot sauce. I'd appreciate if you push the logo and subscribe to our channel. While you're here, I got a couple of video suggestions I think you might like. Click them and see what you think. Once again, thank you.